wider regulatory landscape demanding more customer-centricity in insurance. The good news is the technology is already here to help that happen. And that's what I'm here to chat about today. Ultimately, consumers want well-designed, sophisticated, yet simple-to-use systems. Sounds simple, doesn't it? Now, I won't go into too much detail on each of these, but my hope is to spur on your own ideas and thoughts about what tech can do. Insurance wallets where people can easily manage all of their policies in one place and update them accordingly. An example is InsurTechNZ from the USA. This is an app where people can upload their existing policies. So any policy they have, it could be for car, it could be for life. Within the app, users can also ask a chatbot about what their policy covers. On the agent side, they have a dashboard where they can track their customers to better provide policy suggestions, or offer additional coverage. We have regular comms, so more regular communication with clients. This results in increased customer notification to help with updates and regular checkups with customers. This is virtually impossible to do manually by humans. A digital broker or agent, for example, can automate follow-ups and reminders and prompt clients to update their personal information or policy requirements when life circumstances change. We can encourage and record customer feedback by using digital technology to automate feedback processes and the recording of customer feedback. We also have dynamic pricing and underwriting models, which I think most people are very interested in at the moment. Faster information flows to meet customer desires for dynamic insurance. This includes dynamic pricing, build your own style policies, and automatic underwriting, which could be possible with these faster information flows. And more examples. So, compliant advice. A digital broker or agent, for example, is trained to follow a pre-designed script. So if the script is deemed compliant with robo-advice compliance, it cannot stray from this. For example, JRNY can develop a digital agent that only delivers to a pre-approved script. You can't give advice outside of that predefined criteria. Enhanced data reporting. It's easier to keep an automatic record of all conversation transcripts. So everything that's said, everything that's transmitted and processed is kept. This reduces manual reporting time and an awful paper trail. We can have better risk profiling of individuals to help with fairer pricing and product transparency. These are all exciting pieces of technology and all entirely possible. These are some of the things that we like to work on at JRNY, but the world really is your oyster when it comes to tech. That's me, with a slightly less shaved beard. Thanks.